Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I want to teach for English subject. Sounds farm animals make. Sounds farm animals make. Sounds farm animals make. A sheep bleats. A sheep bleats. This is the sound of sheep. Ba, ba. A duck quacks. A duck quacks. Quack, quack. A hen clucks. A hen clucks. Cluck, cluck. Cow moves. A cow moves. Moo. Okay. So, what sound does a horse make? Neck, neck. A horse necks. Okay. Okay. First, trace the correct word for each picture. What sound does the animal make? Fill in the blank. Okay, what is this? This is a what? Dog or cow? This is a cow, so you trace like that. Okay, what sounds of cow? Okay, the sound of cow is moo, moo. Okay, like that. Good luck.